Hey, hi all, this is Gaurav and there is a beautiful place in my village called Baria Pathar. Let's blossom the beauty of Baria Pathar. Follow me. Let's start the video. Ready?
Very kindly.
Come on, come on. प्लास्टिक भी होते Okay, follow me. See how cool is the water. Crazy, crazy! Come this way. Right up. ఇట్లా ఏం దారలేదు అది రాజు దారు
ఎందుకంటే నేను పడిపోతే పర్వాలేదు, ఇది పడింది అనుకో.
అరే ఆ బ్యాగ్ లా షూస్ పెట్టొచ్చురా ఒక సైడ్ లా అత్తే అత్తే బ్యాగ్ లో పెట్టాను ఇది పెట్టండి మనం
ఏ చిన్ను
పట్టుకొని పదండి.
చిన్ను
జాగ్రత్త. నీరు నేను ఇక్కడ నిలబడి
అక్కడికి వెళ్ళిపోతున్నా
తడిసిపోతాయిరా కోళ్ళు ఉన్నవి పాపంతో దానికి సోమ కావాలి కదా.
Do you like this place? No, no.
Hey guys, this is the wildlife video, and there is a big waterfall. You're gonna see with me, with my what do you call, my brother-in-law Gaurav, and my best friend Shankar, and my another brother-in-law Praveen, and another brother-in-law Jagdish. Come on.
Say hi, Jagdish.
Jagdish. So we all going to show you a nice waterfall. The place name Baria Pathar. So let's have a look.
Baria means pig and
So,
Pathar means stone. Pig
This is
stone.
one of the beautiful heavenly place in my village nearby. It's around how many kilometers?
It's like 40 kilometers from
40 kilometers from my native place, Jarada. So this is really awesome place. Let's have a look. I will turn on the all area camera so you guys can see all the areas. The waterfall from down. So just let's go. I will put the back camera so you guys can see it. Okay, let's start.
Let's start.
So Chinu, this is the place, yeah?
Yeah.
So this is from starting from, we don't know the water starting from where, but we can go only this.
Do you have any idea from where this water is?
The water coming from which place?
Which place?
But this is the limit. We can go like.
There is a holy place nearby here called Mahendragiri also.
Yeah. So you can see the guys, the water is coming from up, and this is a big, like a tank, like 6 feet deep. You can go and you can swim inside. And this is the down going through, and see, you can see the heaven place. See how beautiful it is. See? Wow, amazing. No network. Hey guys.
Hey guys, say hi.
Hello guys. This is the fat guy, but this guy is very work hard to reach here. Wow, that's really.
This guy did lot of hard work to reach here.
Yeah.
Please cheer up for this guy.
Yeah.
अरे फोन
So Chinu started going inside the water. So you guys can see the deep of the water here. It's like a small swimming pool with a waterfall.
It's so cool.
Wow, the water is like a breathing missile.
Zoom in. The water level is so high. It's so cool.
Wow, that's amazing.
We can.
Guys are doing Bahubali thing. Wow. He broke the stone. Hey Chinu.
अरे चालेल का तुझ्या एवढ्या
Barya
Pathar.
Pottar. So this is Barya Pottar, and this is a team of the, what do you call? Trekking or what?
Tracking team.
Tracking team. Huh? This is Barya Pottar tracking team,
His
including
name is
me.
Mr.
You cannot
Shankar.
see me, but I'm a cameraman. You cannot see me, but these are.
His name is Praveen Kumar. His name is Jagdish. His name is
Yes,
Shankar,
sir.
and I'm
Shankar.
Gaurav. And
And
he is our
and-
cameraman. He is
this
our
me,
cameraman.
Lux.
Okay, let's start the video.
చాలా
Follow me.
So now we are going to down. Our trip is over, and we are going to,
Our place.
yeah. So these are our bikes.
Drive the bike. You?
So our video will be continue during the journey.
నేను మాత్రం
We will show you the way how it is. The way is very difficult. The road is not that good. We have to drive very carefully, otherwise you will be fucked up. So this is one more thing. See the height and see the down. So we have to go down. Okay, let's go. Let's start another.
Our trip over. Now we are back to home.
Yeah.
So the way we just switched off engine
Save the fuel
fuel
and
because
save the
road is-
environment as well. So you can see the hills, mountains. It's very beautiful one. And you can see the roads, very tiny roads. There is no, what do you call? There is no middle line. This road is like coming in both ways, right? So this is very dangerous when you.
Dogs are that way. Bike is not
Working hard for the bread and butter. Walking long distance to get something.
No, this place is on high. We want tower.
Wow, see there is a network, tower network. It's very high, but really thanks to the government. They did something for the people.
City facilities are also there.
Also there you can see the.
Till this point, I think this point on.
This is a small village, and I believe this is a school.
Village, and there is school also.
There is small school, and there is
And I
some
think
houses, and you can see clearly the tower. See the tower network. I don't know which one.
వేసినాను
BSNL.
Yeah, probably
Only
it's a
place.
government BSNL.
Yeah, Bharat Sanchar Nigam Limited.
It's very nice, and you can see the village.
The special thing is you all can enjoy the greenery.
Yeah, this is the natural beauty of the nature.
No pollution,
Nature is
no
pollution,
irrigation,
no noise.
pure oxygen.
Yeah.
Natural oxygen you get. See how beautifully they designed their homes.
Chicken, free chicken. See organic
Wild
chicken.
Wild chicken.
It's a organic wild chicken, which is no chemicals, no chemical food, which is the natural food. If you eat the chicken, you will get the 100% of protein. When you have a time, please try this. You can see the mountains. You can see the houses over here. Really, the people who are living here, really, we have to salute them. Yeah, this is the corn trees. You can see this corn trees, the long one, the corn trees. And I'm gonna show you what do you call?
Corn tree side.
Yeah, these are all corn trees. Wow, see guys, see the house. See the people who are living here. Salute them for still they are living there. Here.
I think here there is no medical facilities.
No medical, no school probably.
Yeah.
But people are walking too far to get the school. But still they are surviving. This is a small, tiny house here. And see, there is a banana tree. Banana.
Because the road is like that.
Nepal is out of control because of the wow, see the rocks. Wow. Sorry, Jaggu. See the trees.
Yeah,
These are my colleagues waiting for us because the road is too difficult to drive. We are just late, so they are waiting for us to go together. This is how we are shooting all the journey.
I think because of heavy rains over here, the roads are not sustainable.
Yeah, exactly.
Because
Namaskar.
every day, lot of raining over here.
See, the roads are too dangerous. Your bikes will be really fucked up. You need to very carefully. Otherwise, it's gonna be a bad day for you, for us. See the curves. See the curves. What? So dangerous.
God.
See the curves. Wow. See the electrical pole.
See, look the
This is,
places.
see the height. See the height and see the electrical pole here. How the people work hard to get the power here. Wow, it's a nice view. In the 100% greenery, there is a dry tree. There is no leaves. See, this is an incredible view in the greenery. Wow, it's amazing.
Which is making more Blossom to
Yeah.
the catch it.
There is something notice board here. I don't know.
Forest notice.
Yeah. Without to get start not there. Wow, it's wow. This is the amazing thing is there is no fuel for our bike. We are driving. It's a green
So
energy.
in order to reach this place from our place,
Yeah.
there is a use of fuel and because the high is there, no, that's why. But coming back to the place, there is no use of fuel. But you need to make control on your bike
Yeah,
because roads are not really good.
yeah. You can save a lot of petrol, but you need to drive very carefully. Wow. You know, there is a road on the town to reach that village. This is the back view.
guys comfortable? I think in between of these roads we have some small bridges. Pass the water from this side to this side.
Yeah.
This is all the guys are cultivating crops.
Yeah.
It's already
This is another village. Okay. We don't know the name.
Gujulingi.
No.
Gujulingi.
What?
Gujulingi.
Uzilingi. Okay.
Name of this village.
Small village. And see, this is the rice paddy here. They are dropping the rice paddy on this height. It's really impossible. See.
wow. Guys, stop your vehicle.
Wow. We're stopping here to just have a look a little bit. We're also enjoying the view, the beauty. So I'm going to show you the waterfalls. Wow. It's very nice.
Let's introduce our team even.
So we reach here now. This is our team again. You guys all know already. Shankar, Jagdish, Gaurav, and me, Laksh, and Praveen over there. So you're gonna see.
Say hi,
the view.
everybody.
Hi.
Hi.
Guys,
How you enjoyed this?
I hope you guys enjoy the beauty of the nature.
Okay. Tell
The
me.
mountains, the hills, the water, and the sky, and the roads. It's really.
Praveen, do you enjoy this place?
So I hope you guys enjoy the video. We really worked hard to get this view, but it's really the road is very difficult to ride it.
Wonderful.
But we tried today and we reached.
We really enjoyed
I will
a
show
lot.
you